Oh la la, yes, it is here. It is rolling out as we speak. And look, everyone else is talking about the Galaxy Watch 5. So thank you for sticking around here, because this video is for you, of course. And you guys already know what has been fixed in terms of bug fixes with this update to ONEUI Watch 4.5, Wear OS 3.5 for your Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. However, we did not have the official changelog available up until now. And we did not have the chance to see if the battery life has been improved or the overheating has been fixed for your Galaxy Watch 4. And of course, what else we can expect with this major update. This update is around 900 megabyte to download, and it seems it is rolling out worldwide right now. If you got it, please let me know. Also, if you don't, please let me know. Just a word of warning, it took me 20 minutes. It took me a good 20 minutes to install, plus download time, which will depend on Samsung service, of course, and your internet. So be prepared and take your time. First thing to know is that you will need to have anything above and or including a Galaxy S9 or Note 9 with ONEUI 4.11 to make this work. And we all know about the new 6 watch faces, of course, but this update will ensure that people can finally download their watch faces should you still have issues with whatever comes up and you can't do it. And then, of course, we will get way more customization options for the new and existing watch faces. New complications have been added, and so on. In addition, a larger font is now available for your watch, and to ensure you have the maximum view of the text that is, well, that you can see. But speaking of text, you now have the new messaging options available, like switching between different input methods during a text. And look, everything else you need to know is right here for you on the screen. As always, thank you for watching. Peace.